Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a pretty decent Shein haul for you today. I did take everything out of the package because it was disgusting. Like, it was banged up while it was being delivered, so I just took everything out. So I'm just going to randomly start pulling out of my little basket. You are going to see a lot of Valentine's Day decals and stuff like that because I was searching for some things I didn't have in my collection. Everything will be linked down below for you as well, just so that if there's something that you see, you can pick it up if you'd like. So at this part here, you're going to see a lot of stickers that I picked up. I do like to buy a lot of random stickers, decals, you name it, just because at this moment, I am not the best with freehand nail art. I'm still learning, like, making sure my application is the best. So if I can spice up the nails in any other way, I will do so. So yeah. Also, I just want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for sticking around and still being subscribed to me. I know I don't post as frequently as I can, but I'm definitely going to try this year, you guys. Also, you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok if you want to see more posts from me more frequently. I do post on those areas a lot more. Right here, I got one of those little photo albums to put my stickers in. And if you're a nail tech, these are essential. I love these things. I love to put them underneath while I'm doing acrylic. It just absorbs everything. And it's just like an easy, like a mat. Like, I literally take everything and just throw it away once I'm done. And then I didn't realize I got the same nail decals, just one came in a packet all mixed together, and then the other one I got just came in the box, and everything was separated from like hearts, butterflies. I also got this one. It was multicolored and it had more of a holographic finish to it. The other ones did not, which I wanted it that way. And then look at these stars. That holographic laser effect is out of this world. Like, I need to find more things with this type of finish because it is so sparkly. I would love to know what type of videos you guys want to see from me, since I love to do all different types of videos. And then I did want to pick up some stamping plates from Shein because I've never tried any stamping plates from them, and I've been obsessed with nail stamping. And these plates were actually pretty decent. It was etched really nice. Even the stamper worked fairly well as well. I did use stamping polish with these, so I don't know if that helped the product work better, but it did what it had to do, I will say. The stamper wasn't as sticky as like Clear Jelly Stamper or Maniology's nail stampers, but it definitely did what it had to do. So I'm not mad at it. The set was like, what, $4, maybe $2.50, but I think it was worth it, especially if you are beginning with nail stamping. So I will definitely be purchasing more from them. And with this one in particular, I literally picked it up for the cow print. I definitely wanted that because I know it's been trendy, and this nice leopard print. Again, you guys, if anything can make my life easier, I'm all for it. Did pick up this pack. I think this is like a 30 nail striping tapes. I did pick these up. I just feel like they're an essential to having your collection. So I picked them up in different colors. I had them in like 5 basic shades. So I just wanted to get some more so I have some variety to go off of. And then these are just glitter striping tapes, and I thought it was really cool. It could look like I used nail striping polish, but I didn't. So again, just wanted to add to my collection. I did pick up doubles of some items like this nail tip cutter here. I always find that I'm doing something dumb and I end up breaking mine. So I just figured let me get some backups. I also wanted to try their nail files that they had on their website, and I was actually quite surprised. They're really good, nice and sturdy. And then I picked up some nail swatch sticks. You could never have too many nail swatch sticks. And with this pack here, I did get two, but I did use them in a swatch video from Dynamic Nail Supply coming soon. And some nail brushes. I do use a new one with every client, so it was really nice to find some of these items on Shein. It's literally like AliExpress, except it gets to you a lot quicker. So if you see something you like, definitely get it, stock up, because you may never see it again on the website. And then I thought it would be fun to have these pink sanding bands for Valentine's Day, you know, little touches. Then I did pick up some of these XXL tapered coffin natural tips. I do have some similar in a clear, and I figured I should just get some in natural as well. Not everyone wants a see-through nail. So yeah, I got some of these. The C curve is really she's there, okay? So if that's not your thing, stay away from these tips, but she's curved. I also picked up these shorty tips just because I I got tired of using my super long nails and then just cutting them down. I just felt like it was a super waste of product, but to each their own. I just find that this would help me so much easier for my clients that prefer shorter nails, or due to their professions they can't have super long nails. So instead of wasting product, I just got these, and I got them in clear and natural. It's super flexible, super thin, so it's not gonna bulk up underneath your acrylic or anything. I'm so excited to give these a try. I also decided to pick up some galaxy inspired nail foils. I didn't have these in my collection, and they were so cheap. I couldn't say no, you guys. I don't really need them, but here I am. This set here was more like marble, you can say, like marble abstract looking. Again, I don't know why I picked these up, but I did notice like the cutting of some of these was a little wonky because like where I don't know, you can see here, like you can see the other design on a different foil. So it was cut a little weird. So, but whatever, I'm not complaining. Again, it was super cheap, super affordable. So it is what it is. And then I got one of those little, I don't know what they're actually called, but for say for instance I wanted to encapsulate those hearts or whatever, they're pretty flat, so it helps to give the product a little curve so it adheres to the nail better. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I'll see you in my next haul or my next video. Bye.